What's up, YouTube? Alrighty, y'all. Let's check it out. Let me close this blind right here for y'all real quick. Get a little bit of that sun out y'all's eyes. Alrighty, y'all. So check it out. Got my knife here. We got a package in, y'all. From Carp Angler. Got the bait boat, y'all, so let's check it out. Y'all are checking it out with me, y'all. Get this opened up. Bring y'all up here so y'all can see what I see. See if I can switch. There it is, y'all. Came with some styrofoam packaging. Keep everything good. Let's go ahead and get some of this stuff out of the box. Okay, so we got the user manual. Got us a receipt with a little sticker there, Carp Angler sticker. So this is the Carp Angler GPS and autopilot bait boat with the 15 battery. So that's what we got right there, y'all. It's right here, assembly tips. Open the battery lip. Connect the battery to the wire inside the boat. Put the battery into the battery holder. Screw the battery tightly. And install the antenna clockwise. Alrighty, y'all. And I'll be looking into this more. I'm just showing y'all the unboxing, y'all. My first time getting it. I'm guessing you got a bag for it here. A nice bag right there when you take it out. As for the boat itself, there it is. It's pretty big. Let's take it out, y'all. I'm gonna switch this camera back to the front so I can use my two hands. There's the boat, y'all. Some plastic wrapping. And we got the battery. That's a pretty good sized battery there. As for the box, that's all that's in there. So as for the boat, okay, we got some controller, an antenna, and a charger. Alright, y'all. So here's the bait boat right there. Gonna charge the battery up, y'all. Let's give a look at the bait boat. Pretty solid. Got some twin motors back there. I believe they're 1100 RPM motors. Dual motors back there. A little look at the instruction booklet. And in the back you have the says control distance up to 500 meters. And so that's all you got right there in the box, y'all. So everything that I should have got came with it. Got 2 LEDs up front. And you got 2 LEDs in the back. And here's your bait hoppers. See about, you got a handle up here. Carrying handle. And there's your on and off switch here. So looks like it comes with batteries in there, y'all. Comes with some batteries in there. Got your antenna here. So let's go ahead and screw that in. Kind of check it out here with y'all. Then I'm gonna charge the battery up. So you unscrew these, take those 2 off, and here's your battery tray there, y'all. Put that aside, and that's where your batteries goes plugged in. So you're gonna put your battery in there, and your battery's plugged in, y'all. As for the controller, I'm gonna have to learn it, but let's check it out. It's on. I may have to do some type of connecting thing. Power switch, move. Oh, I gotta power it on here. Okay, there you go. Got your boat on there. You got a little battery level up here. And there go your lights. Lights are on. There's a blinking mode light, and then also a solid light. There's a button for that one there. And it's, there you go, y'all. There's your thing. So let's see for the hopper. Let's see. Got a left hopper, right hopper. Open hopper. Hold the cruise button, then click the fishing spot to open the left side hopper. Click the fishing spot 3 to open the right side hopper. Hold the cruise button, then click the fishing spot 1. Alright, so here goes the hopper. Should open up, y'all. There you go. Let's try to open the other hopper. Hold the cruise button and click fishing spot 3. There you go. Both hoppers opened, y'all. Alrighty. Pretty nice. I'm gonna have to learn this out for myself. So basically, believing you got an on and off switch here. Turn off the remote there. Look at the boat there, y'all, right there. Little 360. The hoppers. Have to figure out how you just put those down, if you turn that or what. I'll have to read into the instructions, y'all. So got a little look at the boat there. I'll be making many more videos using this boat, y'all, so please stay tuned for me making some videos right here of the bait boat. And thank you all for watching, y'all. So he got your on and off switch right here. There goes off. Alrighty, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Laters.